What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and we got to change out this cabin filter in this 2012 Acura TSX. Okay, so first thing we gotta do is take out any stuff in here. Now to get this piece out, you have to just kind of pull towards you, and you get that out, and then you have two clips here, two little tabs on each side. All right, so we're gonna grab both ends here, pull this towards us. And then we're gonna grab both ends on this cabin filter and pull that towards us too. Oh my gosh, what in the world is this? Wow. I don't know how you let something get this bad, but this definitely needs to be changed. Now, I don't think I've ever seen anything this bad, so this is going straight into the trash, but wow. How could you let an air filter get that bad? Better yet, how does a dealer sell a car? I mean, you do all of this quote-unquote work to get the car ready, and you don't change something as simple as a cabin filter. Fantastic. Got to love it. Okay. All right, so we'll put this here with the arrows facing down. So it shows you here, airflow is down. And so we're gonna also place this air filter flow down as well. So we'll just slide it in here. And it's that easy. We're good to go. Okay, so to reinstall, you just insert this back in here, snap it in place. Get this guy here, put the tabs in the right slots, snap it back in place, and then we can put this little hanger back in here. Alright, so everything's back into place, looking good, and that's how simple it is to install a new cabin filter on a 2012 Acura TSX. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.